But could you actually do this any more gracefully than Bob is?
In 1906, a British scientist named Francis Galton published a letter titled Cutting a Round Cake on Scientific Principles.
In his letter, Dr. Galton explained that from a scientific perspective, humans had been cutting cake all wrong.
According to Dr. Galton, the best way to serve a round cake is by cutting a slice down the middle and then making a parallel cut down the middle again. This creates a slab of cake from the center that you can then remove and slice into pieces for your guests. He even provided a diagram.
But wait a minute.
If she had only looked at this before she baked that cake.
What if you want more cake?
Simply push the two halves of the cake back together and cut another slab. And when you're ready to store some leftovers, push the pieces back together again and pop it in the fridge. Since the interior of the cake isn't ever exposed, it won't ever dry out, and your cake is good forever.
And you know what that means? Birthday cake for breakfast.
Look, can I just have some coffee, please?